Hello, and welcome to the session. Developing individuals, teams, and organizations. LO4 design a personal and professional development career plan for a named job role based on reflection and evaluation. Have you ever wondered what it takes to excel as a senior marketing manager? This video explores a comprehensive career plan designed for this role. Discover the essential steps to enhance skills, lead teams, and drive organizational growth. The Senior Marketing Manager at UK Versity Online leads the marketing team. They are responsible for developing and executing strategies. This role demands strategic thinking and digital marketing expertise. It also requires strong leadership skills. Understanding digital trends is crucial for driving growth. Self-assessment is the first step in career development. Current skills include leadership and digital marketing proficiency. Areas for improvement are advanced analytics and project management. Reflecting on strengths and weaknesses guides growth. It helps in setting realistic career goals. Short-term goals focus on enhancing digital marketing expertise. Enrolling in advanced courses is essential. Attending industry conferences boosts knowledge. Obtaining certifications validates skills. These actions set a strong foundation for growth. Leadership skills are crucial for managing teams. Enrolling in leadership programs enhances these skills. Finding a mentor provides guidance and support. Regular feedback helps refine leadership style. These steps are vital for effective team management. Medium-term goals involve leading complex projects. Obtaining project management certification is key. Volunteering for cross-functional projects offers valuable experience. Enhancing strategic planning skills is crucial. These goals prepare for larger responsibilities. Understanding global marketing is vital for career advancement. Enrolling in courses on global strategies is beneficial. Gaining international experience broadens perspectives. Networking with global peers enriches knowledge. These actions enhance global marketing expertise. Long-term goals aim for a chief marketing officer role. Enrolling in executive education programs is essential. Thought leadership through publications enhances reputation. Seeking advanced leadership roles broadens business acumen. These steps are crucial for reaching senior positions. Regular reviews are essential for tracking progress. Self-assessments every 6 months are recommended. Performance reviews provide valuable feedback. Mentor meetings offer guidance and support. Monitoring ensures alignment with career goals. KPIs track the success of development activities. Skill acquisition measures course completion. Project success evaluates objectives met. Leadership feedback assesses effectiveness. Career milestones track achievements and growth. CPD involves tracking skills and knowledge gained. It ensures professionals remain competent. Organizations use CPD to align skills with goals. Individuals use it for career growth. CPD promotes continuous learning and improvement. Career planning involves mapping out career paths. Lifelong learning helps adapt to industry changes. It builds resilience and opens new opportunities. UK Versity Online encourages CPD for educators. This ensures staff adapt to new technologies. Engaging in the CPD cycle involves identifying needs. Planning outlines specific learning activities. Action involves participating in CPD activities. Evaluation assesses the impact of CPD on growth. Reflection and documentation complete the cycle. CPD activities can be organizational or individual. Mandatory training ensures compliance. Role-specific training enhances job performance. Leadership development prepares future leaders. Professional development offers advanced learning opportunities. Recording CPD activities is crucial for tracking progress. Personal CPD logs document learning outcomes. Organizations use software for tracking CPD. Evaluation metrics measure CPD effectiveness. Regular reflection ensures continuous improvement. Skills audits identify current competencies and gaps. Professional frameworks ensure CPD activities meet industry standards. UK Versity Online conducts annual skills audits. This aligns training needs with professional standards. Skills audits guide effective development planning. Reflective learning involves evaluating experiences. It is a critical component of lifelong learning. Kolb's experiential learning cycle guides reflection. It involves concrete experience and reflective observation. Abstract conceptualization and active experimentation complete the cycle. Becoming a reflective practitioner involves regular reflection. Seeking feedback offers different perspectives. Continuous learning keeps skills updated. Reflective models guide structured reflection. This approach enhances personal and professional growth. Knowledge of marketing principles is crucial. Digital marketing proficiency enhances campaign success. Industry knowledge keeps strategies relevant. Project management skills ensure effective execution. These competencies drive organizational growth. Strategic planning aligns marketing efforts with goals. Leadership skills inspire and manage teams. Communication skills convey compelling messages. Adaptability and collaboration enhance team dynamics. Integrity and ethics maintain trust and transparency. In conclusion, designing a personal and professional development career plan based on reflection and evaluation is essential for achieving long-term career success. By assessing current skills, identifying development needs, and setting clear career goals, individuals can create a structured plan tailored to a specific job role. Reflective practice ensures continuous learning and informed decision-making, while targeted development activities support skill enhancement and career progression. A well-designed development plan empowers individuals to take ownership of their growth and contribute effectively to organizational success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.